Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Maintaining public libraries is a waste of money since computer technology can replace their functions. Do you agree or disagree? Technological advancement has really revolutionized the world in which the technology has transformed the access and consumption of the information. Consequently, the question arises on the existence of the traditional public libraries. Some people consider them a wastage of money as internet can provide the same benefits at a low cost. However, the public libraries encourage reading by providing the environment to read along with free access to the books available there. To start with the need of libraries, these are community hubs where the readers get the quiet environment to read books and borrow them if required. The local literature available there helps the researchers if they look for the material. There is variety of material available which suits everyone in society as students get the reference material, job seekers can access to employment resources, and the older ones can read the newspaper. The librarians help the readers in selection of books if required, and the catalog eases the location. Moreover, some libraries have computers and printers where the visitors get the access to these facilities free of cost. However, the advancement in technology helps people to access e-books free of cost without going outside. Besides, the books not available locally can be accessed in a jiffy in the applications such as Kindle. Apart from this, the audio version of books is easily available, which helps people to listen to as per their comfort. In conclusion, although the computer has facilitated the access to the books worldwide, yet the function of traditional libraries is still there. Investment in libraries is not a waste, however, a necessity for educated and informed society. Therefore, these must be preserved and supported alongside technological advancement. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.